Before I play this video, you need to like and subscribe. Please, I need because I will upload every day with my friend and my sister. I hope you enjoy this video.